How to share Instagram achievements. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To find your Instagram achievement, open Instagram. Here on the bottom of your screen, you can see different navigation options. On bottom right hand side of your screen, you can see your profile icon. Click on that. Now right below your profile, you can see professional dashboard. Click on that. Now scroll down to your tools. And here you can see achievements. So simply click on that. So this is how you navigate Instagram achievements. On top of your screen, you can see your achievements. These are all the benchmarks that you have achieved. Right below it, you can see challenges. So you can simply click on get started to take challenges from Instagram. This is not just only for fun, but it will also help you to get more reach on an Instagram profile. So right below it, you can see achievements to earn. So simply navigate through that and you can see all the achievements that you can earn on Instagram. This is how to share Instagram achievements. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.